till I pass out. 100 racks and hundreds in the stash house. And I be saying something when I mash out. In a Lambo, looking like
So here we are, MR2. This is not my usual shooting surroundings. You can see I'm at Coils and was out driving the car after I did the fuel system, which I was going to do a video on later today. Fuel system's fine. But what happened is, as you can see these droplets, oil. So let me show you what happened. This is like laugh at my pain time, I guess. Kevin Hart. So here we are in the engine bay. As you see, the fuel pressure regulator was relocated. I actually moved that off to the trunk. You can see here in these lines, they're red now. That red is the actual boost juice from Snow Performance. All my fuel lines are running to the firewall. I just need to put grommets on them. So long story short, what happened when I was happy boosting around, so I don't know if you can see it in there. See all that oil? Somewhere in there, right there on the backside, right near the turbo compressor housing, you can see there's a tear there. So I was mid-boost and developed a tear in the oil return line, and it spit all over the engine block and smoked up. So I parked the car, calling a tow truck and waiting to go home. In the meantime, wifey's over in Coils shopping, and that's how it is. That's all she wrote for now. So I'll get this fixed today. Not that big of a deal. Let's take a look in the trunk. This is not the video I intended on shooting by any means. Get this stuff out of the way. So here's how it's sitting in the trunk right now. As you see, I have some metal shavings I still need to vacuum up. Here I have the fuel pressure regulator coming in through the firewall. There's my boost juice sitting in there. Then here's my lines. So what's cool is, so it uses the factory pump now as a lift pump. So that actually comes in here, comes down, connects, fills the tank up, and then here's the factory return. This goes back, so factory 5/16 hose. And then here, this is a Bosch 044 style pump here. It's a 300 liter per hour. Comes off here, goes to the fuel rail, then it returns here, goes through my flex fuel sensor, which you can see I don't have hooked up right now, goes to the fuel pressure regulator, and returns right back to the surge tank. Actually, it's pretty quiet when it's running. Very happy with that. Here you can see I do have a grommet where I ran the the vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator. So everything's running fine. I'm not having any fuel problems at all. Retuned the car, did a long run, but just the oil return line blew. So hopefully everything's good. I'm going to fix that line, do an oil change, and hopefully no damage. That's what I'm hoping for. So it's not the bleak ending that I wanted for this video. I mean, whoever wants a bleak ending for their video, but that's what I'm currently dealing with. And you know, we always give you honesty on the channel. So here's your brutal honesty. That's what happened today. I was out driving around on my Saturday with the wifey, doing some shopping. We're about to hit up some dim sum, and boom, next thing you know, there's smoke in the side mirror when I got to Coils. So we will deal with it. Hopefully I don't have any turbo damage or any type of engine damage, but we'll see. All right, so I'll go ahead and cut in some video of the car running from last night when I finish things up, and I'll give you guys an update soon. probably on IG. But until then, stay tuned to GoPro everything. All right, peace.